If you're signed in on Google Chrome on mobile and PC, you can view your PC tab history and your mobile tab history or any device you're signing into. On your PC, when you open Google Chrome, you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to hover on history. Under history, you see the tab history of all the devices you are signing into. Now hover on the device and you'll be able to see all the device tab history. So I currently have my mobile here, and this is the same tab history as you see here. Now when you open a new tab, it will also update in this section. So you'll be able to monitor your tab history from any device. You'll also be able to do this from your mobile. On PC, I currently have two tabs opened, which is WhatsApp and podcasts. When you open Google Chrome on your mobile, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen and you see recent tabs. Tap on this and you see the same tabs which I am signed in with the user. So if you're signing into multiple devices, they'll be listed in this section. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.